Hi, I'm Catherine Moyalagi, Chief Financial Officer. Bellingham Public Schools has two levies on the ballot for the upcoming election on November 4th. The first is a supplemental operations levy and the second is a facilities maintenance levy. Voters living within the school district boundaries will see both these levies on their ballot when they receive them in the mail in October. The supplemental operations levy is in response to the state legislature slightly increasing what is known as the levy lid.
They fund parts of public education, they don't fully fund it, and they acknowledge that. And so they've built systems by having local communities pass different types of levies and different types of bonds.
So they've raised the maximum cap of funding that school districts can raise through local levies. Bellingham voters approved a similar levy in 2010. This levy supplements the current operations levy already approved by voters in 2024. It would allow us to collect an additional $4 to $5 million per year to support ongoing classroom and staffing needs, and to help stabilise our budget moving forward. The second is a facilities maintenance levy. This 6-year capital levy focuses on taking care of the most important investments our community has made by maintaining and preserving our school buildings.
By taking care of them, just like a house, it will last longer, it'll be safer.
It would fund essential projects such as replacing roofs, upgrading HVAC systems, and installing new windows, because caring for our facilities today saves money tomorrow. Staying on top of repairs allows educators to focus on what matters most, our students.
It's not just these big shiny projects that are exciting and fun to talk about. It's also like the nitty-gritty that makes the school safe to use every single day for kids and just keep it running so it's less expensive over time.
This is a new levy for our district and one that is being used more and more across the state to support schools. Historically, we've relied on bond funds or the general fund for these needs, or in some cases left them unaddressed due to a lack of finances and rising costs. After their work this past spring, a committee of staff and community members has recommended the proposal to our superintendent. It would provide around $11 million per year and would help focus future bonds more on the building or construction of new facilities rather than the maintenance of our current ones. This funding is important because for our district, like many others across the state, levies make up about 25% of our annual budget. They pay for educational services not adequately funded by the state legislature. This shows the current bond and levy property taxes per $1,000 of assessed value. If approved, in 2026, property owners would pay $3.27 per $1,000 of assessed value. That means an average property owner will see an increase of approximately $16.15 per month in 2026. After that, the tax rate will remain stable at an average of $3.29 for the duration of the levies. If you have any questions about either of these two levies, please don't hesitate to call or go to bellinghamschools.org/levy2025. Please watch for those ballots arriving in the mail in October, and don't forget to send them in by November 4th.